Okay, now we're going to see where the laser's going to fire in position 2. So what I've done, taken a piece of a manila folder, cut it up to what size you like, and I tape it on here for the rough tuning up. It's real easy, you can see it clearly, you can get dialed in a little bit faster. So what we're going to do, get the tools and materials out of the laser bed. Always think safely. Now, here is my position 2. Now if you notice, limit switch here, and as close as I can be to my lowest left corner. I don't expect to have to laser here, but I'm getting the biggest window possible. So now we'll turn the machine on. Let it warm up. Close the lid. Like before, it's in manual, same settings. I'm going to fire the laser once. Okay, and in position 2, it hadn't marked anything on the paper yet. So, one of two things: either the power is not high enough, or if your red dot is off, it may have a red dot right there, but your laser's firing either way, to the left, to the right, it's up high. So what we're going to do is we're going to go increase. Oops, helps if I hit the right buttons. We're going to increase power a little bit. Let's check it. There we go. Always ease your lid open. Don't jar things around, you'd be better off. But, put my hand in the path of the beam, you can see that's my burn number 2. Now, what I like to do at this time, grab a pencil, and we're going to make a mark on burn mark number 2. Now I'm going to send it to position 1, and you'll notice my tracking speed, testing speed is way slower. I've adjusted that manually because I have to measure my focal point in lots of places when I'm doing the big stuff. So it's easier for me to have it run at a slower speed. I'm a patient guy, I can wait. Now, as we get close to the back, turn the light on. You kind of see my tape in the corner. We're going to ease back, because I know if I get close to that mark, but not over it, I don't jar the back, the mirror that's in the laser head against the back rail and cause a jarring to where that mirror moves. I learned that the hard way, going over it time and time, hitting the datum button, and it was too rough going into the home position. So I manually now move everything. That way I don't mess up the mirror positions as I'm trying to align all this. So here we're in position 1. We hit it. Let's check it. Now, if you take a look, it's like I got a big burn mark in the upper left quadrant. I don't see a second one. I wasn't watching it. So, this is up to your discretion to run it with the safety door open or shut. So looking at that hit in this exact same spot, upper left. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this off. I should show you this, that on the other side, yeah, I've got a burn mark, but it didn't pierce it. So if you know your setting for paper, you can do this and not worry about hitting that mirror in the laser head and having to clean it over and over and, you know, potentially damaging it. So once you find this out, this will be speeded up a lot. Okay, so I'm going to get that lined up as close to center as possible, and I'll add that to the next video.